Fast screws make toilet installation faster and create a more secure, adjustable fit when floors or fixtures are uneven. Height adjustable screws let you fine-tune the toilet base position after setting the bowl down, which reduces rocking and prevents wax ring damage by ensuring even compression. Start by seating the toilet bowl on the flange and wax ring. Then turn the adjustable screws incrementally to lift or lower each side until the bowl sits level and flat on the floor. Tighten nuts in small, alternating increments to avoid cracking porcelain, and stop when you feel solid resistance rather than forcing maximum torque. Use a level across the bowl rim and check at the front and both sides so you can make 3-point adjustments when necessary. 2-point adjustments leave a pivot and can still allow movement. If the subfloor has slight slope, extend the screw on the low side to bear weight there while keeping the opposite side supported just enough to seal the wax ring. Keep a pair of nylon or rubber shims on hand to fill gaps under the base during adjustment so you do not overcompress the wax, and you can remove or reposition them without disturbing the screw settings. Common problems include over-tightening, which can crack the porcelain, so always tighten until snug and then back off slightly if the bowl shows stress lines and use shims to transfer load instead. Another issue is failing to check the wax ring seal after adjustment, which leads to leaks. Test by applying light pressure and inspecting the floor around the base before final caulking, and make small screw adjustments if you see any seepage. A third concern is using adjustable screws with a damaged flange, which lets the screws pull through the flange. If the flange is cracked or too low, repair it with a ring or replace it before relying on the screws. And consider using flange repair plates that work with height adjustable anchors. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors who offer adjustable toilet anchoring and other bathroom services, and it helps contractors find new jobs by listing their services and projects. We also run a discussion community where homeowners and contractors can share experiences, ask questions, and discuss best practices for installations and fixes.